Right, let's talk about pricing first, even though I'm going to show you exactly everything I use for free. I have paid for Canva in the past. I don't need it. I don't need to pay for it. I use it every day and I use it for free. So, the free version, here we go, 8,000 free templates, 100 designs, social media posts, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. Honestly, really cool. 99% of people may not need to pay for this. If you want to go to the Pro, it's £8.99 a month if you pay yearly. Can I switch to monthly pricing? I can't say anything. Oh, sorry, it says there. Or £11 a month. Everything free has, obviously. Create your own brand visuals, identity, logos, colours and fonts. So what you can do is you can have a store of your logo and your colours and the fonts that you use. So you can quickly pick them up on every new design and use the same fonts. Pull your logos from a place where you've saved your logos. One-click redesign. So basically, you can do an Instagram post and then quickly resize it for a Facebook post because it's different dimensions. Or cover art. You might want to change your headers in your Facebook and your Facebook page and your Twitter header. You can quickly resize the image you've designed for a different sizing. Extra photos up to 4 million plus. Upload your own fonts and custom. If you go to the £24 version, you're looking more team management, built-in workflows, control your team members, protect any part of your design from team edits. So you can obviously lock down certain bits that can't be changed. But obviously the £24 a month version is all a lot more about getting your team interactive and maybe even project managing with a customer and showing them and getting them to sign off on a design that you're creating for them. So that's just quick info in pricing. We are talking about the free version here though.